All right, ready? Take 3. It's Joe here at Parttera. We're going to show you how to install a 2020 tonneau cover by Fortress. The clamp goes on first, the spacer, and just hand tight. You may have to take the spacer off. It's just a little added feature. Same thing, install the clamp, install the spacer, and hand tight the knob. Good tip, make sure nice and clean before you install your seal. It's dirty, the seal won't stick properly. Slowly peel back the rubber and attach it to the edge. Slowly peel off. It's a lot easier to do it this way, so you're not taking too much off. If you make a mistake, it's easy just to pull that back up. Okay, and then we'll be getting a knife and cutting that. And do your best to cut close to the edge as you can. Scissors work just as well. Make sure it's a nice good seal. Undo the latches. So a good tip is to actually take it down, just see if it fits, which it does. Once the tonneau is lined up at the back of the box, slowly tighten these. These adjusters, they may move into 3 different locations because every box is a little different. So we'll be loosening this off and moving this forward to 1. If we need to do adjustment, do it, take the screw out, move it to another location, put this in place. That's it. Go back down, test it again.